This is Sensor Studio. I'll quickly deliver news of the Middle East war. This is Tehran, Iran, where the US military is carrying out large-scale bombings using B-2 bombers. This is also Isfahan, Iran. There was a large-scale air raid in the morning. This is Beit Shemesh, Israel. There was a missile attack by the Iranian military. This is Israel. Iranian missiles fell in central Israel and buildings were heavily damaged. This is Iraq. Erbil International Airport in Iraq was damaged due to an attack by pro-Iranian militias. This is Beirut, Lebanon. The Israeli military launched an airstrike in the Hazmiya area, hitting a 4-story residential building. At least 5 people were killed and 15 injured. This is the moment the Israeli military attacked a hotel in Lebanon. This is Bahrain. There was an Iranian Shahed drone strike in the Al-Sakir area in southern Bahrain. Next is Fujairah port. Fujairah port was damaged by an attack from Iranian forces, and black smoke is rising. This is the Strait of Hormuz. Oil tankers and cargo ships are lined up for several kilometers. Since this strait handles about 20% of the world's oil trade, these traffic disruptions are causing oil and gas prices to rise. So far, 50% of the missiles and drones launched by Iran have targeted the UAE. If this continues, it seems that the scale and frequency of attacks on the Gulf region are decreasing. President Trump of the United States has expressed a positive intention regarding the plan for anti-Iranian groups to receive support from the US and be converted into ground forces. Currently, the United States is preparing to trigger an armed uprising inside Iran, and it is expected that ground operations will begin within a few days. This is the UAE. Currently, for 2 consecutive days, the UAE has been under attack from Iranian forces targeting its seawater desalination facilities, and fires have also broken out. The UAE has revealed the debris of Iranian missiles that were shot down. If more news comes, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.